welcome to Dee's Kitchen. Today we're cooking Southern style black eyed peas. This is a great recipe for the ones who do the whole traditional black eyed peas, collard greens, and hog jaw. So to start off, you just need a pound of black eyed peas. And I use pieces of country ham. So I place my country ham in a pot and it's boiling. I use 1 tablespoon of bacon grease to give it a little bit more flavor because this country ham is not really salty. Now that our country ham has cooked, I'm going to add the black eyed peas. You also can add salt, to taste if you like. Me, I cut up an onion and I'm going to add an onion in it. So it's going to cook along with the black eyed peas when they get like semi-done. So once your ham get done, it should look something like this. I have added my peas, and now I'm going to let them cook. And as I had stated before, you can add a little salt to taste, not too much. A little salt. And I'm going to let these come to a hard boil, and I'm going to let it cook. As you can see, my black eyed peas, they are boiling now. I have added a few onions to it. For the ones who may not like onions, you can always substitute onion powder just to give it a taste. One of the reasons why I boil my country ham is because it takes a little bit longer to cook than the black eyed peas too. So I wanted to make sure it was well done. That's why I cooked the ham before I added the peas and then cook it together. Also, you can, to make sure that you have enough salt, you always can taste the water from the black eyed peas. That lets you know what the beans is going to taste like. So if you taste the water and it doesn't taste as flavorful as you would like, you can add more salt to it. But just be mindful, you can always add, but you can't take away. I'm just gonna let that simmer for a few more minutes. Our black eyed peas are done. I turned them off. Our Southern style black eyed peas are done. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.